It just keeps bothering me in my sleep. I can't believe she's gone.
Carlton? A minute, please.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna have to get a therapist for her because it is obvious that she's traumatized. And we're gonna have to help her get through this. Tiffany? We're gonna find somebody for you that you can trust, that you can talk to, and I believe that she will help you through this. Alright?
Thank you.
Alright, so what I will do, Tiffany, I'm gonna speak with your dad and your uncle, and we're gonna set a date that's appropriate for you to meet with this therapist. And she is a true confidant. Alright, so you can tell her exactly how you feel and what you're going through, and she'll be there. Carlton, I need to prescribe something for her sleeping. So I'm gonna send it to you, and you or Marcus can just get it for her as soon as possible. If you need anything else, I'm just a phone call away. Alright. Alright.
Alright, Nancy. Thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
Wake up, man. Move your foot. Come, Mouse. Let me take you to bed, sweetie. Come. Come.
Daddy?
Yes, Mouse, it's me. You alright? Come.
Tell mommy good night.
Let's sleep. I love you.
Karim?